Hi, I'm Michelle from Pure Electric, and today we're going to talk about how to maximize the battery life of your scooter. Looking after your battery properly is one of the key components to getting the most out of your e-scooter. And if you treat your battery well, it'll do the same for you. However, a neglected battery will often be the cause of an underperforming e-scooter. So, if you're at the point where your electric scooter is unable to hold a lasting charge, it could mean your battery's life is nearing its end. Luckily, correct electric scooter battery maintenance is easy and will help your e-scooter last for longer. But before we get on with the show, if you love all things electric micromobility, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that little bell icon so when we upload a new video, you get notified. Firstly, let's go over the tech bit. Most e-scooters feature lithium-ion batteries. These low-weight, rechargeable batteries are incredibly high-powered and are often used in military and aerospace industry. However, they aren't indestructible, so we recommend treating your battery like the powerful and intricate piece of technology it is. Tip number 1, and perhaps the most important, try not to fully deplete your e-scooter battery. The first thing to remember is electric scooter batteries are different from those in our phones. From force of habit, and we've all done it, it's easy to use your battery until it's fully drained, then charge it up fully afterwards. However, this could be harmful to your e-scooter battery. Instead, you should charge your battery at every opportunity you get. This is because all lithium-ion batteries come with between 500 and 1,000 charge cycles, depending on the manufacturer. For the longest battery life, we recommend keeping your e-scooter charged above 50%. If you're only doing short journeys and you're able to keep your charge above this, even better. That being said, if you want to really optimize your battery's longevity, then try fully discharging it every 5 to 10 charges. Giving it that full charge cycle should help keep the cells as healthy as possible. Tip number 2, only use the correct e-scooter chargers. Electric scooter batteries come in all shapes and sizes. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to chargers. Each e-scooter battery will only be fully compatible with its recognized charger, or a third-party charger made for it. If your e-scooter charger is lost or damaged, we understand that it can be tempting to use any charger that fits. However, this can be harmful to your battery, and even if the charger appears to be working, it could be charging the battery improperly. But if any damage or loss occurs to your e-scooter charger, don't worry, as we'll have your back with a range of e-scooter battery chargers for various models, so you're never too far from a replacement. Tip number 3 is e-scooter battery temperature. A bit like you and I, if you're using your electric scooter in extreme weather conditions, the battery health will suffer. Hot temperatures will cause your battery to struggle, especially when charging, so always charge in a cool, ventilated area. And cold temperatures will definitely reduce the capacity of your battery, and thus the range of your e-scooter. We'd also recommend charging your electric scooter as close as you can to ambient room temperature. If you're using your electric scooter in the Arctic Circle, then there's not much you can do about this. But it's still worth bearing in mind if you live in a colder environment, it will be worth charging your e-scooter in the house. All of our electric scooters come with an instruction manual provided. And in this, you'll be able to find further details on the best conditions for your chosen e-scooter. Tip number 4, it's best to charge your e-scooter promptly, but don't forget to give the battery some time to cool down first. How long to leave your battery to cool isn't an exact science, but as a general rule of thumb, if you've ridden it beforehand, we recommend leaving it to cool for about 15 minutes before charging. Tip number 5, charge your e-scooter battery before storing, and don't forget to top it up. If you're going to be storing your electric scooter for an extended period, then we'd recommend charging it to 60 to 65% beforehand. If you end up leaving it unused for over a month, then we also recommend checking it every month and topping it up again if needed. This should help prolong the life of your battery. Tip number 6. The charger will tell you when charged, not the scooter display. Our final tip is regarding charging again. When charging your e-scooter, always go off when the charger says it's full, not the display on the scooter itself. Electric scooter batteries charge up fairly quickly to 80%, but the right charger looks after the battery by not overcharging. This means the rate of charging slows down once you're over 80%, even though your e-scooter display may be saying it's full or nearly full. But that last 20% can take a little longer, so always go off when the charger says the battery is full and not the display. So there are our tips. Again, we all know real life will get in the way and we can't always stick to the tips above. But if you can make these tips part of your routine, then your e-scooter battery will last longer, and in our eyes, that can only be a good thing. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments and give us a thumbs up. And if you're interested in electric mobility, be sure to watch one of our other videos. Until next time.